Oh, it's cold today. It's so cold. Well, we're just checking out of the Hilton after Oktoberfest, and we're just walking to the train station, MUNICH HBF. It's cold, baby. I told you. Wear your big jacket. It's so cold. Anyway, walking to MUNICH HBF to catch the EC81 train to Bologna, and then going to catch another train, a Treno, I think it is, to Florence, where we're going to be for a couple of days when we get down to Toscana. So stick around if you want to see how the train looks, because it's a long journey today. It's a long day. Long day. Train leaves at 7:30 and we get there just after 4. So, oh man, stick around. Hope you enjoy it. Well, we made it, but there's no train just yet. But here's our platform 11. So the EC81, which is pretty cold. We're a bit early as well, so it goes at 7:34. It's just 6 minutes past 7 now. And there's the train, EC81 to Bologna. So busy, so busy. On the train, nearly ready to go. It's filling up pretty quick. It's a lot busier than the other train, eh?
Yeah.
Hungry train.
Seats are a little bit different.
It's a little bit different. And yeah, half a table.
I mean, this is good for us.
This is not good for me because my little leg don't fit there. So I'm gonna have to sit a bit cocked like this. And this doesn't come off. I try to take it off, but it doesn't come off. But there is power sockets, which is good.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, there's a few empties back here, which would be good. So maybe we can, we might be able to just go back. There's empty seats behind us.
Oh, okay. At the moment.
At the moment. But it has a lot of stops, so we just counted up the stops. I think it was like 14 stops before you get to Bologna.
Quite a few.
So it's a fair old run. But trains are just so much easier than flying.
Oh, and they're more comfortable.
Oh, we got our bags. Right.
Like you said, we just get on the plane.
Yeah, on the train. Our bags are up there. When we got to Munich, our bags had delays. It took us like an hour.
It took like nearly half an hour.
And half an hour for our bags to come out. So
that's a long time.
Anyway, I think if you're in Europe and you're not leaving Europe, just go on trains and buses.
And you have time.
Yeah.
Because I would definitely do trains a lot more.
Yeah, I think so.
Time.
Yeah, I wouldn't fly at all.
No,
I hate to.
Internally.
Yeah.
But it's good.
I guess we moved. Well, I guess we went a long way though. Like getting from Barcelona to Istanbul.
Oh yeah, we did do that.
That was a big flight.
Yeah. But anyway, later we'll show you around.
Yeah, we'll go for a wander around and show you the train. There is a food cart.
I have got snacks as well.
7:36. 2 minutes late. Right on time.
2 minutes late,
2
but
minutes
right on
late.
time.
Right on time. Oh, you know. It's good. That's good time.
Yeah.
2 minutes is good. Yeah. It's a long journey.
Well, 2 o'clock we get to Bologna.
Yeah.
It's not really. We get that little break and then we'll go to the next one.
That's true. We check in. Next station's Munich East. Ost. We have to move seats as well because that thing's not going real well. I'm so yawning. So bad. This thing's so bad. Don't get a window seat if you're tall. So we're just coming up to Kufstein, which is we just went through Kufstein. That was the last stop. And we're on our way now to Innsbruck, so we're in Austria. And the scenery's changed somewhat. You can't really see it because it's a bit cloudy and foggy today. But it's very pretty. Super duper pretty.
Yeah, really pretty.
Not this part's not so pretty, but the bit before was really nice when I got the camera out. I should have filmed before. But I think I'll give it another hour and then go for a wander around and show you the dining car and all the other carriages. That'd be good. You can sort of see it up there, look. Yes. Back in Italy, in Brenner. Scenery, amazing. Sleepy. Snoozy. The snacks. I thought it was a cookie, but it's not a cookie. It's some sort of cake.
You're not complaining.
I'm not complaining. It's still sweet and lovely. I have to give it up soon. Granero. toilets at the end of every carriage. No paper, unfortunately, and it smells a bit like death. But in a emergency, yeah, there is a toilet to use. I'm gonna go keep walking. We're here in Verona. This is our last stop before getting to Bologna. I tried to film the rest of the car. One of the guys that works here said I wasn't allowed to film, so I had to delete the footage in front of him. But I didn't see anywhere on the website where it said you couldn't film. I was just basically showing the different cabins and the dining car and all that sort of stuff. So back this way, it was like a 6-berth cabin, so 3 seats facing each other on both sides, and they're all separate boxes. But he didn't want me to have that footage, so I had to delete that footage. And I don't want to get in trouble, get kicked off the train and be stuck in Italy. No. Alright, so I'll check in when we get to Bologna, and we do the change of train to get us down to Arezzo. Florence, yeah, Florence to Arezzo. I'm tired, I've been on the train too long. It's been many hours. We made it to our new platform. Platform 18, ready for our train, 242. It goes to Salerno, which is the same train we took from Naples, I reckon. I think it's where it came to.
Oh, right.
Yeah, this one goes back to Naples.
But this one's only a short.
It's only 40 minutes for us now.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Nearly there.
Nearly there. It was a bit uncomfortable, the other train. It was a bit bad for our backs. But I think we're probably not recovered from Oktoberfest, to be honest.
Oktoberfest.
Yeah, it was a bit Oktoberfested out. But yeah.
Oh, let's go. Nearly there.
Let's get on board. Let's get going. Come on. We'll get pizza. Film myself.
It's coming.
I'm gonna get in trouble again. I don't think I'm gonna say a word to me anymore. I think other guys would be jealous because I had a GoPro and didn't have one. I don't know. Just got on the train on time. It said on the sign, so it's pretty good. I think it's 40 minutes to Florence. So we're going backwards, eh?
Yes.
Yes.
That's okay.
Yeah.
They're pretty comfy seats.
Yeah, comfy. I think they're more comfortable than the other train.
Yes, and you get a little
And yeah, little train. And just being like just 2 seats by ourselves is nicer.
And you've got a little footrest
Rest
and
of the
some
bin.
stuff for magazines or electronics. And yeah, it's actually not too bad.
And it's packed. The train is absolutely
Oh,
packed.
it's packed.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
There's no room for our bag up the top, so there's like a storage thing back there to put our bags. So.
Yeah.
Oh, I think the final check-in's when we get off this train.
Nearly there.
Nearly there. Alright, we just got off the train.
Here.
Finally.
Florence, finally.
8 hours in total for us on that trip. And only just sitting around doing nothing, but yeah, it gets pretty tiresome, let me tell you.
It does get a bit much, so we're going to go check into our hotel now.
Yeah.
And hopefully tomorrow we'll venture out and show you guys a little bit of Florence.
Do a bit of exploring around town, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!